How's it getting these here from the old Paracow store? We're still unloading Buick parts, but I was just thinking one of the best things about running a cafe bar is the people you meet, and we met some cool guys on bikes today when I was unloading, and I just thought I'd do a little clip on them. And Vanguard Customs, he's a young fellow, built his own bike. He's the man on building handlebars and or fitting handlebars and wiring them. So if you're in Auckland, check out Vanguard Custom. Another thing is YouTube. The best thing about YouTube is the people. And you meet good people, like-minded, whatever you're into. One good guy to check out is Grizz over at Grizz's Garage. I'll put a thing up here somewhere or here. And he builds some cool hot rods. He's a cool dude. He comes up with good ways of doing things. He's a great fabricator, motor builder. Just got some wicked hot rods. Well worth checking out. So go and check Grizz out. Yeah, best thing about YouTube's the people you meet. Best thing about a cafe bar is the people you meet. So I thought I'd just do a little video on that. Yeah, you do it, because if it breaks on the side of the road, it'll be your fault. We just give advice.
Just hand the tools.
Roadside repairs.
Just handing them the loaded gun, eh?
Gotta love a Springer.
100 mile an hour tape, didn't he?
I'll just put a sticking plaster on it. That should work. that's what it's all about. Building your own shit and riding it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty hectic though. I bought the frame off a guy, and he had it as kind of like a bobber, like sprung seat and all that, and he weighed maybe 60 kilos, and I got on at 100, and he tech screwed his rear fender on because he didn't think that anything would ever hit it, and it collapsed on the motorway 6 hours after I bought the thing from him.
Yeah.
And yeah, ended up in hospital with a license plate shoved down the back of my leg.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's a good one. So yeah, I've been like putting it together for 6 years, but doing everybody else's bike in the meantime.
It's cool, and I'll put it on the YouTube.
Oh yeah, me. It's called Vanguard Customs.
Yeah. Where are you?
In Kingston, in Auckland. It's Vanguard Customs NZ on Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a Vanguard Customs in Illinois, but they got there first.
Yeah. Someone's put a lot of work into, and hey. And rides it. You know, like Jody had a helmet like that.
Yeah, I
And
just
we-
bought it. A buddy of mine had one. I was like, ooh, nice.
We went past 160 bikes or something, and the cop pulled over her because she had a blue helmet on, everyone else had a black one. Tried to do her for speeding, and she wasn't. We were looking for a wholesaler.
Point of difference.
See you, little man. You got those-
Yes, that is, mate. So Grizz, you're going to do a Barris custom and put 52 Buick chrome on that Merc. I got a stack of it here.